Hey, what's up, guys? Alright, so I'm taking this euro dollar trade at big figure using this Fibonacci wall. I am placing a 5 point stop loss on this, and I am entering on two positions. Remember, I'm focusing on this euro dollar and using this 5 minute wall level here to enter into the trade. Plus, it's big figure, so usually a big figure, and it's the first time it's testing. It tends to give some good points. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and be just a little bit aggressive here, moving my stop up 1 point. So I'm -4 in the trade here, and now we wait. So this is what trading is, guys. So here we go. We're starting to see some movement up, and I want to go to big figure, but once again I want to see those 5 pips in profit. And I'm just gonna go ahead and have this ready so I can move this. Now, if you notice, I have some sort of a I noticed there's some lag, and that's just a recording, guys, but I see it perfectly on my side. So here we go. I'm already at break even, and once again just applying simple rules. As soon as I see 5 points, I go to break even, and there you go. I'm already at break even. And even once I see like that quick little move, I right away move my stop to -5, and then I go to -3, etc., etc. Now here we go. I do want to look to take some profit around this 8 level, as I see the 1 minute PMDs, my blue PMDs here. It's pushing down, so there is momentum to the downside at this current moment. So I do want at least 7 points. If I can get it, I'll be able to take out. So here we go. Here's 7 points. I'm gonna go ahead and close both of my positions here. Perfect. So I'm up 14 points, and on to the next trade. Yeah, so that's how it's done, guys. Okay, here we go, guys. I'm in on euro dollar. I'm selling it down at that 10 level. Damn, I wanted an 11 entry, and I got filled at 10. It was actually really crappy entry on my end. I wanted to get a little bit higher, but by the time I was able to see, I got in at 10. So whatever. I have a -7 pip stop on this because I got a bat to fail, but I'm noticing my PMDs. Remember, my PMDs are the pink and the blue triangles facing down. They're beginning to crunch, so I do want to go ahead and close this trade. I want to go ahead and wait and see if it gives a chance. Now I already have my stop at -5, so just in case I get stopped out, it won't happen. And you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and kill the trade and be happy with a minus, whatever it is I can get. Let's see if I can get -2 on this. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close the trade here. I don't like how the PMDs are crunching up, and here we go. Yeah, I'm closing this, guys. I'm bailing out of here. I'm out. I am out of here. So this is just a small position, so no worry. I'm -2 on that. And just want to go over this euro dollar. When I got in at 10, now in the end it did ended up working out if I would have just stayed in the trade. But it wasn't to my liking, just because, like I said, my triangles, if you notice, are facing up. So in that 1 minute column, there is some potential movement to the upside. And when that happens, if they begin to crunch up, it means the market's losing momentum. And most often, what happens is the market loses momentum and it goes the other way. Obviously, in this case, it didn't happen. It continued downward, and it's just one of those times where I was wrong, and we just have to accept that. See, my job as a trader is not to predict where the market is going. My job as a trader is to anticipate what the market is willing to give me. And in this scenario, well, there you go. You see, so yeah, I was definitely wrong on this, and I'm sure I'm going to be wrong other times. And like I said, all I can do is just go ahead and accept it. Now I'm waiting for a few levels here, just in case if it gets into this green zone, it will be a very fine passive level. If not, then just like anything else, I will go ahead and wait for another trading opportunity. What a good trade. But well, whatever. Next trade. Oops. Let me go ahead and close this. Here we go. Let me minimize that. Now, I'm waiting for this dollar CAD here. I want this level. Let's see if we can get up to that 67, 68 level. I will go ahead and sell it at that Fibonacci level. Keep in mind, these levels are dynamic, and there are ways to trade it. Similar to that first trade I took on euro dollar at big figure. I don't think we're gonna get this move up there. So, all right, we're not gonna get it. Not gonna get it. It's okay. Next trade. Next opportunity. Okay, so here we go, guys. I'm in at, once again, I'm in at big figure, close to big figure, because it's a 53 fail. And here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a 7 pip stop, and there's some momentum pushing to the upside. Now, if you notice, this is the exact same scenario with euro dollar. It's just in this case, if you notice the triangles, the blue one and the pink one, they're still very well separated. So that's a good thing. So here we go. We've seen some profits. I'm moving my stop up. I'm gonna go ahead and move this to -5, since we saw a quick little jump there. I'm moving this to -5, and I want to see if I can get this to a break even, or a -3. So the PMDs are still holding up. Very good indication that it's a possibility to go higher. Here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop. I'm moving my stop up. I'm gonna go to -2 here. I wanted a big figure, but there wasn't 5 points, so I'm going to big figure. Excuse me. I'm going to a -2. And I mean, my PMDs are still facing to the upside. They're still very well spread. So I'm waiting on this trade. I'm not building out here. I'm gonna wait. And here we go. We're beginning to see some points. Let's see if we can get at least 7. Maybe if it can run up to 10 points. We'll see right now. Up to that 65 level, 1.2865. So here we go. We're seeing 5 points. Quickly moving my stop to break even. There's 6 points. I want 7. I'm very tempted to take some points here because it's right at that blue PMD. I want to see if I can get 7 though. 7 to 10 points, off of this trade, or if it can get up to that 2865 level. Now keep in mind my pink and blue triangles are at this point, they are beginning to crunch up, but it's still holding fairly well. So either way, I have no risk on this trade. I have a break even, so if it goes the other direction, I'll get stopped out for 0 points. No problem. Still waiting here. I did have a chance to get at least 6 points, but I didn't. Once again, it's just part of trading, and you have to accept it, I already have about 12 points in the bank, and at least I made my daily points. So I did get into a trade earlier. I did sold dollar CAD, but I wasn't able to record that trade. So I'm not gonna count it. So anyways, I got stopped out. Whatever. It's a break even. After all that battling, it's cool. Next trade. But anyways, like I said, so 3 trades, 1 loss, 1 break even, and 1 winner for total 12 pips. So yeah. So that was it, guys. If you noticed, we're always going to be wrong. We have to accept it. That's pretty much the lesson of today. Accept what you're doing. Just know that, like I said, and like I've mentioned in my previous videos, if you have a positive expectancy with that performs at some sort of level of consistency, then I have no shame in taking my 7 points, just as you saw in that euro dollar trade. I can do that all day, and even though I got a little bit greedy on that dollar CAD, that's no problem. Next time, I'm sure it'll happen again. I'm sure it'll continue happening, and I'm sure the next time to be able to collect some points and put it in the bank. But anyways, like I said, knowing that you can do it again is very powerful. And anyways, if you guys want to learn more about this, go ahead and subscribe. I'll try and see if I could upload some more videos. Thanks for watching.